Hello, my name is Lorena Schmidt, and in this video I will explain how to install the VITOconnect Bridge. Before using the FT Connect, set up the VITOconnect Bridge. This ensures that your measurement data is automatically transferred to the VITOconnect system. To connect the VITOconnect Bridge to your network, use a LAN cable and attach it to a power adapter. If required by your network, allow the MAC address of the bridge in your firewall settings. Finally, log into connect.vito.ag. If you don't have an account yet, please create a new one. Enter your location details and register your device. You can find the serial number at the back of your tester. Add the device to your profile using the serial number and location. Now you can set up the reporting function and manage your hazard data. That's it. Now your measurement data will be saved automatically. For any further questions regarding the use of our oil testers or oil filter systems, please visit our handling website or feel free to reach out directly. Thank you.